I wanted to share my favorite vacuum robot, the Shark Iron Robot. You can connect it to an app. You can turn it on. You can set it up automatically. So you just turn it on and it cleans your house. I put it back here so it's hidden, and it has a handheld, really nice. You just push the power button. It's great to clean small messes. You push this button right here when you want to throw in the garbage, right there. Close it. It's great to vacuum stairs or small messes, dogs. So I really like it. Also, another one that's amazing is this little robot mop. So here's the power button, handle. This is the release button for the mopping pad. The battery goes over here, and here usually I put water and vinegar. And then you just push the button and it cleans the floor for you. It's really, really nice. The water comes out from here. I'll put the link so you can find on Amazon.